Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the car. Disconnect the negative battery to prevent airbag or motor activation. Then remove the interior door handle screws and plastic trim clips. Label each fastener so reassembly is simple. Lower the window about 1/2 to position the glass for removal. Doing this gives you direct access to the regulator bolts and the glass deregulator clips. Once done, make sure you've got a rag to catch any debris and a small tray for hardware so nothing gets. You now detach the glass. Support it with a suction cup tool or strong tape to prevent it dropping when bolts are removed. Next, remove the bolts that fasten the glass to the regulator. These are usually accessible through oval holes in the door. Note their sizes for reinstallation. Once fasteners are out, carefully tilt the glass forward to clear the rear channel, then lift the rear edge up to release from the lower track. If it resists, check for a hidden clip or remaining bolt before forcing it. You finish by lifting the window straight out of the door and setting it upright in a padded, safe spot to avoid chipping. After removal, inspect the channel seals, guide clips, and regulator for damage. Clean debris and lubricate the rails so the new or reinstalled glass runs smoothly. If the glass binds while lifting or drops unexpectedly, stop and reevaluate. Ensure all bolts were removed, your support was secure, and the regulator is in the correct position before attempting removal again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.